In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an email sequence with ConvertKit. First, log into your ConvertKit account. At the very top, you'll see the main navigation. Hover over or click on Send, and from that dropdown, choose Sequences. This is where all of your automated email series live. On the Sequences page, click the New Sequence button. ConvertKit will then show you a few email templates you can start from. Pick the one that best matches your style or needs, and it will open up in the sequence editor. Inside the editor, look at the very top of your email. You'll see a field for your subject line. This is what your subscribers will see in their inbox, so make it clear and engaging. Next to the subject line, there's an Edit Preview Text option. When you click that, a new field appears where you can add preview text, which shows up next to or below the subject line in many inboxes. This is a great place to add a short hook or clarify what the email is about. Just under the subject area, you'll see a publish toggle and a setting for when the email should be sent, such as immediately or a certain number of days after the previous email. Take a moment to set this delay thoughtfully so subscribers don't feel overwhelmed. Below that is the main email editor, which supports rich text. Here you can write your content, add links, and format things so it's easy to read. On the right sidebar, you'll see the list of emails that belong to this sequence. For example, you might have 3 emails: a welcome email, a value email, and then a soft offer email. Keep the welcome email simple and focused on setting expectations, like how often you'll write and what they'll learn. In the value email, teach one clear idea only. If it can't be summarized in a single sentence, try simplifying it. Then, in the soft offer email, introduce your product or service as help and support, not pressure. Invite people to take the next step rather than pushing them. If you want to add another email to the sequence, click the Add Email button on the right sidebar. To delete an email, click the trash icon near the day or timing selector. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Click Delete Email if you're sure. When you're done building all your emails, make sure each one is set to publish so they actually send. Next, you'll connect the sequence to an automation. At the top navigation again, click Automate, then choose Visual Automations. You'll see a range of automation templates. You can either pick one that fits your situation or start from scratch for full control. Inside the Visual Automation editor, begin by choosing your trigger. This could be something like joining a form or getting a tag. Once you've picked your trigger, click the plus icon below it, choose Action, and then select Email Sequence. Use the drop-down menu to find and select the email sequence you just created and click Add Action. From here, you can continue to refine the automation with more conditions or actions if you want. When everything looks good, go to the top right and turn on the Active toggle. A pop-up will ask you to confirm that you want to activate this automation. Click Activate, and your automation will go live. From that point on, subscribers who meet your trigger conditions will automatically enter the sequence you built.